kids! Welcome to our fun learning video. Today we will learn ocean vehicles. They move on water. Let's start. This is a boat. I am a boat. I float on water. This is a ship.
I am a ship. I carry many things.
This is a submarine. I am a submarine. I go underwater. This is a speedboat.
I am a speedboat. I am very fast.
This is a ferry. I am a ferry. I carry people. This is a sailboat. I am a sailboat. I use the wind. This is a yacht. I am a yacht. I am for fun. This is a cargo ship.
I am a cargo ship. I carry boxes.
This is an oil tanker.
I am an oil tanker. I carry oil.
This is a cruise ship.
I am a cruise ship. People travel on me.
This is a hovercraft. I am a hovercraft. I glide on water. This is a fishing boat. I am a fishing boat. I catch fish. This is a rescue boat.
I am a rescue boat. I help people.
This is a navy ship.
I am a navy ship. I protect the sea.
This is a patrol boat.
I am a patrol boat. I watch the sea.
This is a houseboat. I am a houseboat. People stay on me. This is an icebreaker ship.
I am an icebreaker. I break ice.
This is a jet ski.
I am a jet ski. I am very fast.
This is a research ship.
I am a research ship. I study the ocean.
This is an inflatable boat. I am an inflatable boat. I am soft. This is a barge.
I am a barge. I carry heavy things.
This is an amphibious boat.
I am an amphibious boat. I go on land and water.
This is a submersible. I am a submersible. I go very deep. This is a tugboat. I am a tugboat. I push big ships. This is a dredger. I am a dredger. I clean water paths. This is a hydrofoil boat.
I am a hydrofoil boat. I ride above water.
This is a catamaran.
I am a catamaran. I have 2 bodies.
This is a trimaran.
I am a trimaran. I have 3 bodies.
This is a sailboard. I am a sailboard. I use the wind. Great job, kids. You learned many ocean vehicles. Keep learning and have fun. Bye-bye, kids. See you next time.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.